Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add email opt-in box or email subscribe box to your WordPress website. For this I need to add a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. After that search here with Kadence. This is the plugin Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. I already installed and activated this plugin. So you need to install and activate this plugin first. After that, I am going to all post section. I am going to edit this blog post. Inside this blog post, I will add email opt-in box or subscribe box. I am giving enter after this paragraph. Here I want to add email opt-in box. I have to click on this plus add block icon, then search here with form advance. This is the block. Click on this block. After clicking, we have to click on create new. I'm clicking on this create new. Then I will get two subscribe box. This is the first one and this is the second one. I'm selecting the second one. After that, it's giving me four options. Which kind of subscribe box I want. Number one is basic, then dark, infield, and last one is underline. I'm going with basic, but rest of the three settings are almost similar. After watching these basic design settings, you can customize any one. I'm selecting the basic and click on create. You see this subscribe box already created. I am giving save. Okay, let's the view post how it looks like. You see this is the subscribe box. After the button I have to give a line break, then there will be a space and it will look good. I am giving line break after button. Now I will customize all of the options step by step. Firstly, if I need to customize this name field, then I have to click on this name one and twice. After that I will get right side name field settings. Firstly, I am on the general settings and second option is field control and is it required or not. If you wish, you can make the name field required. So select this required field and field label by default it's name, but if you wish, you can customize it like write your name. So here it will display. Come to the next option is description. If I write this is your name, whatever you will write here, it will display under this box. I think it's not needed. I am going to remove it. And next option is field placeholder. If I write here your name, you see inside the box this text is displaying. That means whatever you will write here, that will display inside this box as a placeholder. And if you wish, you can add the default value, for example Mr. or Mrs. Then these things will automatically display here. I'm going to remove this one and this one. Okay, fine. Next, come to the email box. It's almost similar. It must need to record. Then you have to write the field label. Right now it's only email. If you wish, you can change it and show the label. Next, you can add description, placeholder, and default value as like the name field. And if I come to the advanced field, you can customize the maximum width and minimum width. And you can customize more things by using extra settings. For example, field name, field autofill, input area description, field error message when required. If someone submit this email subscription box without filling the email, what error message they will get? This is the by default the added email is required. This message will display. And if I come to the advanced option, then you can add additional CSS classes name here and you can customize it as per your need. Same option you will get under the name settings. Now come to the submit button design, how you can customize this submit button. I'm clicking on this submit button, then my submit button settings is displaying here. By default, button inherit style is fill, but if you wish, you can make it outline, then button design will be outline. Or theme, I mean in this theme which button style are using, it will display here. I'm selecting fill as a default, and next is button size. Right now it's medium size. I think it's perfect, but if you wish you can make it small, medium, large, XL, anyone. And button width, by default it's auto, but if you wish you can make it fixed or full, but auto is the perfect practice. Next, come to the button style. If I click on style, then here first option is button style, and first of all is normal and right side is hover. So normal button color is getting from theme color, but if you wish you can make it black or another color. I'm changing it to this color. And background color, if you wish you can make it yellow. I'm selecting this color as a button background. If I come to the hover, then see color hover and background color is same as normal color displaying. First option is color hover. I want to change it to the white color. And next option is background color. I want to make it to this accent color. When someone will hover, it will be this color. And if we need to add the border, we can add it from here. For example, 1 pixel border I want to give on normal section, and border color will be this. You see, border color is displaying here. Even when I am hovering, I can change the border color. For example, when I will hover, then border color will be the red or this color. Okay, let's see, when I am hovering, border color also getting changed. And in the next option is border radius. If you wish, you can add the border radius. I am not adding. And next option is box shadow. I am going to enable this box shadow. You see, this box is displaying a shadow. Next option is icon settings. If you want to add an icon to this button, you can add. And here is the icon option. If I select a icon from here, for example, I want to add this icon. You see, after this submit text, a icon is displaying here, and you can customize the icon size also. For example, I am going to make it 25, then icon is going to be 25 pixel. And come to the icon color. First color is normal color and right side color is hover color. If you wish, you can change it. Next, come to the icon padding. If you need to add icon padding at top, right, bottom or left, you can add it from here. And final option is typography settings. You can make the font size, I mean this submit font size, small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, 3XL. Even if you want to make it to the pixel, just click on this gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, you can add it from here with the pixel. For example, 25. You see, this text size is going to change. Or you can make it 20. That's okay. And you can change the line height from here, letter case, font family, font weight, and letter spacing. So all of the option from the style I have explained. Now come to the advanced option, and from here is the first option is padding. We can add padding at top, right, bottom, left, and most importantly, this button and full subscribe box is mobile friendly, I mean responsive. So I have explained all of the three things: name, email, and submit button, how you can customize. Now it's time to explain when user will submit this box, then which email you will get this submission, how you can customize that option. For this, you have to click on anywhere of this subscription box. After clicking, you have to click the top left this icon and again this icon. I mean, I have to select full box and click on again this icon. You see full box already selected, and when I am clicking right now, it's displaying the column details group. That means full box already selected. And if I come to the right side, it's the general settings, and below the general settings, first option is submit action, and below it's the email. I mean, email will be work as an action. Okay. And next option is hide form after submit. I mean, when user will submit, then this form will be disappear. If you want like this, you can enable this option. Okay. Next, come to the email settings. If I click on this right arrow icon, first option is email to address. That means which email you want to receive this user submission. You can use multiple email here, just use comma after a email. Next option is email subject. You can mention it here. And next come to the from email, from name, reply to. By default it's displaying email field, but if you wish you can choose the form email. And next the cc, bcc. Final option is send as html email. If you off it, then plain text will use, but I think html email is perfect. Come to the final option, that is the message settings. If I click on this right arrow of message settings, then there has total three option. First option is success message. When user will submit this box, if submission gets successfully, user will get this message, submission success. Next option is pre-submit form validation error message. For example, a user submit this form without filling the email. That time, in the email section, they will get a red icon with warning with this message, please fix the error to proceed. And final thing is error message. If submission failed, then just they will get a text submission failed. And next option is style. I mean whole subscription box style. If I click on style, I can select the field row gap from here. You can select none, access, small, medium, large, or if you click here, you can choose the pixel and input size. That means when user will write, what would be that size. Right now it's medium, but if you wish, you can make it large or small. And the normal input color, placeholder color, background type, input background, input box shadow. You can customize all of the things from here. Just click on this round icon, you can customize. And in the right side have focus option. Same, you can add input focus color, focus type, input focus background, box shadow, focus border, everything you can customize. Now come to the border settings. As usual, you can customize the border radius, font size, line height. I mean, everything is similar as like how I customize the name field, email field. So I think you can do it easily from here. And next is the advanced option. So it's as usual, there has a padding, margin, max width. And next is validation. So use browser validation. I think this option we should enable. It's very helpful. And finally, advanced First option is from style. We must enable this. Next is HTML anchor and additional CSS class. By using those options, you can easily customize your subscription box. All of the settings I explained properly and step by step. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily add this subscription box to your WordPress blog or any WordPress website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.